You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. Keep trying. You'll get better. Don't give up. You can do it. Mistakes help us learn. Always do your best. Believe in yourself. Say, excuse me, if you need something. Always tell the truth. Be polite to everyone. Listen when someone is talking. Don't interrupt. Wait for your turn. Speak softly, don't shout. Say sorry if you hurt someone. Hold my hand while crossing the road. Don't touch sharp things. Look both ways before crossing. Always wash your hands after playing. Eat slowly and chew properly. Don't put small things in your mouth. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Put your toys back after playing. Keep your room clean. Throw trash in the dustbin. Don't draw on the walls. Speak kindly to your siblings. Help me set the table. Switch off the lights when you leave the room. I love you so much. You are my little sunshine. Come, let's have a big hug. You make me so happy. I'm always here for you. You are special just the way you are. No matter what, I will always love you.